Hey gamers, your keyboard is your ultimate weapon, so keeping it clean is key to peak performance. First, unplug it and give it a good shake to get rid of loose crumbs and dust. Next, use a can of compressed air to blast out the hidden gunk between the keys. For those stubborn spots, grab a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean around each keycap. If you're really into it, you can remove the keycaps for a deeper clean. Just make sure to keep track of where they go. Finally, avoid eating at your desk. It'll save you from the endless crumbs and spills. Keep your keyboard in top shape, and your gaming will always be on point.